Hi guys, now we are gonna prepare our quadcopter for the flight testing and the log analysis. First, we need to understand that the quadcopter is a dynamical system that has several degrees of freedom. We can control these degrees of freedom by using our radio controller. We can see that we have the 4 degrees of freedom. This information is sent to the controller by some signals that are input, and this is called the radio input, then in the log analysis file. Then the signals are processed by the controller and an output signal is sent to the motor. In particular, we have 4, and it can control the angular velocity of each motor, and this is called the radio output in the log file. So now let's go to make the setup. You have this file available in Aula Global, and you can check and take a look that we have many parameters that we can control, but now for our purpose we need to change one in particular. That is called the log bit mask. Let's look for it. We can have different values for this parameter. Like with this option, we can have some default information about the state of the vehicle, like the GPS information, for example. With this option, we can have additional information for the radio inputs to the AeroUC3M. With this one, also we include additional information for the inertial measurement unit. With this one, we can have more information about the AeroUC3M outputs to the motor. But what we need for our analysis is all of this previous information, so we need to select this parameter, because if not, we are not gonna store the required data for our analysis, and you will need to repeat your flight. So first, you have to connect the quadcopter to Mission Planner or APM Planner regarding the ground station you are using. So now I'm connected to my vehicle, and we need to change this parameter, which is included in the full parameter list option of the vehicle. So easily we can search for this by writing bit mask, and we can find it. You see, I have as a default value the default option, so I'm not gonna have any information for the radio inputs or motor output. So I change it to this value. I can copy and paste. And now it's important to save all these parameters to the APM planner. So I need to click on write to. Well, first, sorry, I need to click. So it needs to highlight that the line I have changed, and now I write and I had written here that is being saved. So now we can start the flight test.